Meaning of geodesic.
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 Geodesic. The term geodesic refers to the shortest path between 2 points in a curved space, such as the surface of a sphere or a curved plane. It can also refer to a curve that locally minimizes distance, which is known as a geodesic curve. The concept of geodesics is important in mathematics, physics, and engineering, as it allows for the calculation of optimal paths in curved spaces. By understanding geodesics, we are able to better navigate and analyze complex environments that deviate from Euclidean geometry.